Hello everyone, today we are going to start our new chapter, chapter 12, present tense. Let's first discuss the definition of simple present tense. What is present tense? Present tense means whatever the things we are doing regularly or we are forming some habits. So that habit or that regular action include in a present tense and especially in a simple present tense. Let's see the definition. The simple present tense tell us about action done regularly as habit. That means whatever the action we are doing regularly and it became our habit. So we often use the word like usually, generally, every day, always. If in any sentence, if you see the words like usually, generally, every day or always, this word suggests the sentence of simple present tense. That means by this word we can get the idea that this sentence is used of simple present tense. Let's see the example. Hi, I am Mani. I usually get up 6 o'clock in the morning. That means whatever you are Mani, right? That means here a girl name is Mani. So that is also simple present tense, and I usually, as I said, this kind of word we are using when we are talking about simple present tense. I usually get up by 6 o'clock in the morning. So it's our habit that generally we are getting up by 6 o'clock or 7 o'clock because we are getting up every day. So next sentence, I learn classical music. I practice music every morning. So someone's habit is to sing a song or to have a practice of classical morning, so they are doing it every day. Whatever the things we are doing usually, generally, every day, every night, every evening, so every word is also going to come with simple present tense. Third one, I have a very good friend. His name is Sunil. He loves tennis. That means someone has a very good friend and his name is Sunil and he loves tennis. Tennis, that means one kind of game. So it will also consider as a form of habit. He plays tennis every day and he is playing tennis every day. And in the evening we both go to swim. Then after, in every evening we are going to swim also. So this kind of habitual things or this kind of regular things generally include in a simple present tense. Next one, the simple present tense is also talk about the things that are always true. So whatever the things are always true, that also comes in a simple present tense. For example, the earth is round and this is eternal truth, that earth is round. The sun rises in the east, that means sunrise, moon is there. So this kind of eternal truth also came under the simple present tense. One more important thing, whenever we are constructing the form of simple present tense, if the sentence subject means whatever who is doing the things. For example, if I am saying I love coffee, here the subject is I. So if the subject is I, we, you, they or any plural form, for example Roma and Soma, any plural form. You all know what is plural form and what is singular form. If there are more than one person, that comes in a plural. If there is only one person, that comes in a singular forms. So whenever the subject is I, we, you, they, that time whatever the given in the bracket will write directly. For example, if there is one sentence, I blank dance, and here the bracket is given love, like this. So if the subject is I, we, you, they or plural, so we'll write bracket as it is. There is no change. Understood? If the subject is I, we, you, they or any other plural form, we are not going to change the verb. The verb will remain in the original form. There is no change. Whatever the given in the bracket, just directly put it here in the blank form. But if the subject is he, she, it or any singular form, If the subject is he, she, it, Niranjan or any other singular form, that time we have to add s, es or ies after the word. For example, here if it is come she and coffee, then if the bracket is given love, then we have to write here she loves coffee. We have to add s because e is generally is given here, so we have to add only s. So as per the word, we have to add s, es or ies if the subject is he, she, it or any other singular form. That time verb plus s, es or ies. We can do exercise, then after you will get the proper clarity. Understood? One more time I am going to explain it. If the subject is I, we, you, they or any other plural form, there is no change. Whatever there in the bracket, just directly put it here in the blank form. If the subject is I, we, you, they, plural form, no change in the bracket form, whatever given in the bracket. But if the subject is he, she, it or any other singular form, then we have to put the verb, whatever given in that bracket form, and plus that bracket form we have to s or es or ies. We'll do exercise, then after you will come to know. And one more important thing, we do not use the root form of verb be. Now what are the root form of be? Is, mr. Is, mr and has, have. So these 5 are the be form of verb. So we are not going to change anything in is, mr or have, has. We are not doing is like this, ms. It's completely wrong. So whatever the subject is there, she is, I am, we are, like that. So there is no change in is, mr and has, have, because it called as the be form of verb. And they always come in a alone. They don't include anything with them. Let's begin the exercise. Fill in the blanks with simple present form of the verb given in the bracket. Now first we have to find out the subject. The simple trick to find subject, whatever before the blank. જે કાંઈ પણ બ્લેન્ક આપેલી છે, બ્લેન્કની આગળ જે હોય છે જનરલી મોટા ભાગે it is subject. Most of the time the subject is given before the blank. So by first we have to find out the subject, then after we are going to know that whether we have to add s or not. First one, Mrs. Cha is a teacher. She blank teach in Pune Public School. Now the subject is she, and I told you that if the word is she, he, it or singular form, that time we have to add s, es or ies. And in the plural form we also have learned now, whenever it is ch, sh, x, that time we are using es. So the answer is she teaches. Second one, they are taxi drivers. They blank taxi all over the town. Here the subject is they. And as I told you, if the verb subject is I, we, you, they, plural, there is no change. So whatever here in the bracket, directly put it here in the blank form. So they, no change. Whatever there in the bracket, directly write here. Next one, Adam is a banker. He blank birthday cake with the great skill. Here the subject is he. Before the blank, generally subject is given. So he, again he, she, it or any singular form we have to add s, es or ies. Here back. Here lastly e is given, so directly put here s. So answer will be backs. Fourth one, we blank basketball every day. Here the subject is we. As I told you, I, we, you, they, plural, no change. So here bracket the word is play. So directly put it here, play. Fifth one. This is my cat. It blank milk every day. Here it came. He, she, it or singular. We are going to change the bracket form. So bracket here the word drink. So we are writing here drinks and we are adding s. The sixth one, the sixth one, the sun blanks in the bracket set in the west. Now sunset is an eternal truth, so there is no change. So directly here sun is a singular form. So after set we are going to add s. So sun sets because there is only one sun, so it's come in a singular form. So he, she, it singular. We are going to change the bracket form by adding s, es or ies. Seventh one, dogs, plural form. Blank, no on boards. So here dogs are the plural form. So here we are writing the bracket option as it is. So like to like, there is no change because here the plural form of dog. Eighth one, Sunny blank his brother in the garden every day. So Sunny is a singular form. So we have to change the bracket option. So we are here the bracket option is help. So we are adding only s and it became helps. Sunny helps. Here look at the pictures and rearrange the given word to make a sentence. Here the words are given not in a correct form, so we have to make them in correct. For example, usually Anwar cooks morning in the his lunch. So the correct form is Anwar usually cooks his lunch in the morning. So second sentence, Anusa music every day to listen. So here we are going to change or rearrange the sentence. So first Anusa, right here Anusha. Then second, listens to music every day. Then after full stop like this. And here third one, we in the watch TV evening always. So you are going to write here the full sentence like this. First we, the second always, third watch, fourth TV, fifth in the and last evening and then after full stop. Fourth one, Jacob every read newspaper morning the. So we are going to arrange the sentence and you are going to write here also Jacob read the newspaper every morning like this. Fifth one, I eat like 2 tomatoes raw. So I like to eat raw tomatoes. Here you are going to write here full sentence. And sixth one, Samarth every sleep early night. So Samar sleeps early every night. Exercise C. Fill in the blanks using the correct form of verbs in the bracket, given bracket here given below. First one, Mr. and Mrs. Mitra blank 6 o'clock on weekdays morning. So here the correct option is wake up. So because Mr. and Mrs. Mitra plural form, so original form of the wake up. Second one, Mrs. Mitra blank newspaper and Mrs. Mitra blank yoga. Sorry, Mr. Mitra blank newspaper and Mrs. Mitra blank yoga. So what can we do with newspaper? One can read. So here read because Mr. Mitra only one person singular. So we are adding here s. Same with Mrs. Mitra only one person. So we are adding after do es. Does yoga. Third one, they blank their breakfast at 8 o'clock. So they again plural form, I, we, you, they, no change. So we are writing here have. They have their breakfast at 8 o'clock. Fourth one, then they blank for work. So then they again plural form no change. So they are here. Then they go to work. Again they blank back home by 6 o'clock. Again they come back. So here come as it is because here they is given. Mrs. Mitra usually blanks in the evening. Again Mrs. Mitra only one person, so we are going to add S. So Mrs. Mitra jogs in the evening. And Mrs. Mitra blank to watch tennis. Again Mrs. Mitra only one person, so here after like we are going to add S. So Mrs. Mitra likes to watch tennis. Exercise D. Rewrite the given sentence correctly. Here some sentences are given in an incorrect form, so we have to correct it. I does not play cricket. Now I, with the I, we, you, they, there is no change in a verb form. So correct answer is I do not play cricket. Like this. Second, this car belongs to me. So we are talking about only one car. So answer will be this car belongs to me. So you are going to write here this sentence in this line. But you are going to write full sentence, not only S here like this me. Write here full sentence. Third, Rohan and Akriti likes to eat noodles. Rohan and Akriti, two persons are there. So original form of word. So there is no S. So Rohan and Akriti like to eat noodles. Write here full sentence. Fourth one, Mrs. Das work in the office. So here we are talking about only one person, Mrs. Das. So here we are going to add S. Mrs. Das works in this office. Mr. Anand go for walk every evening. Here we are talking about only one person. So we are going to add ES. So Mr. Anand goes for a walk every evening. So write here full sentence. The children goes to sleep by 9 o'clock. Here we are talking about children, plural form. So only original form of word. So the children go to sleep by 9 o'clock. Write here full sentence. Whatever the changes I have given here, by making that changes, write full sentence here.